Unraveling the phrase, gas pipe. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a somewhat unusual but interesting English phrase, gas pipe. Let's break it down together and understand its meaning and usage. The term, gas pipe, is a combination of two words. 1. Gas, a substance that is like air and has no fixed shape. It's often used for heating or to operate machines. 2. Pipe, a long tube of metal, plastic, or other material used to move and distribute something. Therefore, the literal meaning of gas pipe is a tube used to transport gas, typically used in houses for heating, cooking, or other purposes. Like many English phrases, gas pipe might sometimes be used in a figurative or slang manner. It's crucial to understand the context in which it's used to interpret it correctly. One rare slang interpretation, especially in older contexts, is a very skinny person. So if someone says, he's as skinny as a gas pipe, they're emphasizing the thinness of the person. When using the term in everyday language, ensure you're clear about its context. Here are a couple of example sentences. 1. The plumber is fixing the gas pipe in the kitchen. 2. Ever since he started his new diet, he's become as thin as a gas pipe. In the first example, the term is used in its literal sense, referring to the tubing that carries gas. In the second, it's a humorous comparison to highlight someone's thinness. So, there you have it. The phrase, gas pipe, not only refers to a tube transporting gas but can also describe someone very skinny, especially in humorous contexts. Remember, the beauty of the English language lies in its vastness and versatility. Keep learning, and I hope this video shed light on yet another intriguing aspect of English.